For these next two, we have a couple more examples here. A colony of bacteria has 16 members. So if the population doubles every 40 minutes, how many bacteria will there be in 1 hour, 10 minutes, excuse me. First of all, if we're looking at, in this case, it's minutes, so let's make sure we have this in minutes. So an hour and 10 minutes would be 70 minutes. So this is what we're looking for, the amount or the number after time. So we're looking for the n value. The original was 16. This is, again, this is a doubling problem. So we're going to use our base of 2. And then we want it to be the time over the doubling time. So the time that it took was 70 minutes, and the doubling time is 40 minutes. So since our n is already alone, we're just going to throw that right into our calculator, and you should get a value of about 53.817, which members. And again, double check and make sure that you're entering that incorrectly. You may have to enter your exponent in parentheses depending on what your calculator function does. And number 3, so we're back to a half-life type of problem. We know the chemical has a half-life of 45 minutes, the element has a half-life of 45 minutes. How long will it take for 96 grams to decay to 13 grams? So our original value was 96. And after time, it decayed to 13. It is a half-life problem, so our base is 1/2. And then to the time over the half-life, now it's asking for how long it will take, so the time is our unknown, and our half-life is 45 minutes. So in this problem, we're solving for t, so we've got to do a little bit of peeling things back to solve for t. So my first step is to get rid of 96, so that's going to be 13 over 96. Is equal to 1/2 to the t over 45 power. Now that I have this kind of as one term, I can't solve it as an exponent, so I'm going to change it to a logarithmic equation. So it's going to be a log base 1/2 of 13 over 96 is equal to t over 45. And then to solve for t, we're going to multiply both sides by 45. Again, I would put this all in my calculator at once, but you can certainly do it in parts as long as you're not rounding along the way. And you're going to get 129.804. And this is time, and our original time was given in minutes, so this is also in minutes.